Sirkap is an ancient archaeological site located near Taxila in Pakistan's Punjab province, embodying the convergence of various civilizations such as Greek, Persian, Central Asian, and Indian. Built in the 2nd century BC by Demetrius I of Bactria following the Indo-Greek invasion, Sirkap exemplifies cultural fusion and urban sophistication. Prior to its establishment, the Taxila region had already seen settlements like Burmound under Achaemenid and early Indian rule. Taxila was renowned as a center of learning, attracting scholars like Panini and Chanakya. Sirkap was strategically constructed based on Greek Hippodamian city, planning a grid system of streets and rectangular blocks rare in the subcontinent. Its fortified stone walls, city gates, and towers reflect military foresight, while residential structures with courtyards, bathrooms, and advanced drainage systems showcase urban development. The city was a religiously diverse hub, home to Buddhist stupas, Hindu temples, Jain shrines, and Greek-style buildings. The famed double-headed eagle stupa blends Greek, Indian, and Central Asian elements, representing Greco-Buddhist architecture. The apsidal temple and Greek porticoed temples further indicate architectural syncretism. Sirkap's cultural fusion extended to sculptures and coinage, with Indo-Greek, Indo-Scythian, and Indo-Parthian coins inscribed in Greek, Brahmi, and Kharosthi scripts, often depicting deities like Zeus, Shiva, Buddha, and Heracles. Buddhism thrived here, with the Gandhara region contributing to Mahayana Buddhism's spread across Asia. Hindu and Jain practices also coexisted, and Zoroastrian influence is evident through some burial types and motifs. Excavations, first led by Sir John Marshall and later by international teams, uncovered terracotta figures, jewelry, tools, pottery, and coins from over 25 rulers. Sirkap was successively ruled by Indo-Greeks, Indo-Scythians, Indo-Parthians like Gandharas, and later the Kushans, who relocated the capital to nearby Sirsak. By the 1st century CE, Sirkap declined and was eventually abandoned, but its well-preserved ruins continue to reveal a rich tapestry of intercultural harmony and urban ingenuity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts or questions below. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more amazing content. See you in the next video.